is family.
It's comfort and it's care.
Compassion.
A place for growth.
Dynamic.
Trend-setting.
When I come, I definitely think of home.
Exceptional.
Successful.
Team player.
Teamwork.
Multitasking.
Passion.
You walk down the hall, you're giving each other hugs.
Teamwork and trust.
It's a place of opportunity.
A lot of diversity.
Dedicated to patient care.
Above and beyond.
Compassionate.
Wow.
Magnanimous. Everybody is taken care of.
The best thing about NMS Healthcare is the employees. We have an extraordinary diversity of employees in our facilities who provide exceptional services to our residents.
It's top-notch staff, top-notch people, and then the nurses themselves. They really do care, and their goal is to provide quality service.
We are able to offer something that other companies can't. We're large enough that you feel that we're stable, but we're small enough to where you still have direct contact with the executive level staff.
Feeling of teamwork and family that we have.
We work towards one goal, and that is to work in unison in providing a stellar quality healthcare service.
It's such a happy atmosphere.
When you walk in, you feel at home.
We really know what we are doing, and we give quality of care.
It's the staff. From the very top of the administration down to our nursing aides, everyone works together and they communicate to make sure that we do everything we can for your family member.
I think our staffing is above board, one of the best I've ever worked with. They have shining personalities. You can't work at NMS unless you have a smile on your face. It's like a family environment here with the staff and the residents.
The intermingling of all the disciplines. They all work together as a team.
The variety of residents I get to take care of.
NMS Healthcare is just like a melting pot. You have every different races, different colors, and it's so much fun to work here because you get to know the culture of each race, and it's just so much fun.
We always continue to improve and be magnificent.
You feel like you're surrounded by people who love you.
They go out of their way to help a patient.
Anything that we can do to pull together as a team to make everything run smoothly is how it is at NMS.
I would say it's 4 things. It's people. I think only the best qualified people work for NMS Healthcare. The way that we provide quality of life to our residents, our standards for customer service, and innovation.
What makes NMS outstanding is the teamwork, from the administrator to the rehab staff, to the nursing staff, the activity staff, to dietary. Everyone communicates on a daily basis to ensure that we provide each and every resident, your family member, with the best possible stay.
We have a large number of registered nurses on staff, which is uncommon in this industry.
We are one of the first nursing homes to completely automate our residents' medical records.
Electronic documentation is really innovative. First of all, the productivity really improves. It really decreases the error rates.
We provide internet access bedside and throughout the facilities for all of our residents to be able to communicate with their family members, no matter where they are, throughout the country or the world, as if they're home.
Quality care. We work really hard to complete our jobs and do it right.
The people you work with, the residents that we have here, it's always a fun day here.
We can do more than other skilled nursing facilities can do. We can take care of more complex patients. We can handle higher acuity residents. We have services that other facilities just don't have. We have an infectious disease doctor. We have pulmonologists. We have nurse practitioners. We have a dialysis unit. Those are things that set us apart at a really facility-to-facility comparison. But then there's also the culture that sets us apart. When you look at other skilled nursing facilities that have been the same for 30 years, our facility is different. We're constantly striving to do better.
NMS Healthcare employees are held to a higher standard than other employees at other facilities, and also the management and leadership at NMS, they're driven to take care of the residents, and we always put them first where some facilities do not.
I think it's the passion that we put forth in caring for our residents. I think everybody that works here as a community, we're pretty jazzed about what we do, and I think it shows.
The owners of NMS are visionaries.
They put a lot of their funds into the capital improvements of the facilities, continuous renovations for the rooms, high-tech medical equipment, electronic medical records, equipment such as buses and vans. They're very comfortable, and all of that to facilitate the mobility of the residents.
Our mission is to provide quality of life to our residents.
Embrace customer service.
And to innovate every aspect of our operations.
My day is always exciting. It's easy to make a lot of friends with the activities.
We work as a team to provide activities that are fun, therapeutic, challenging. We want the residents to have a sense of accomplishment. So we do it in a fun way. You're never too old to learn, so we make things educational as well.
I really enjoyed the activities part of it.
They tell you, come on, get up. We're having this activities, and then you start feeling good about yourself.
The meals are tremendous.
We use a fresh, local product. It's a restaurant experience, so they don't feel like it's a nursing home. It's a restaurant experience. That makes NMS different from the rest. We are unique.
NMS Healthcare provides a variety of therapies. That would be your physical therapy, your occupational therapy, and speech therapy. And in addition to that is how they can go back to the community by doing community reintegration. How can a patient go back to the grocery store and be able to buy her groceries and her needs? And that's really what we do, really thinking about what can the patient do when they go home.
They got a tremendous therapy. I'm walking around, and I couldn't get out of the bed.
Give me 2 more. Come on, Q, you can do it.
We look at the patient as a whole. It's not a cookie-cutter approach on treatment.
I was very, very sick, and now they've got me squared away, and I'm ready to roll.
Oh, the therapy is dynamite.
Professionalism,
empathy,
trust,
commitment,
respect, integrity,
teamwork, teamwork.
I've been to other nursing homes. It's fantastic here.
It's a very nice place to live, and I've made this place my home.